We're going to visit a little bit more about adjustment layers, layer masks, and selections in this particular exercise. I just want to show you a few more things. I'm going to use the magic wand tool to select this pink I have to make sure I'm on the window. I wasn't on the window. And I want to select all the pink because I want to change the color and make it more orange yellow because I'm going to add these flowers. I'll leave the flowers on right at the moment so you can see how that works. But instead of going all around and clicking every single thing that looks like it's that color pink, I can go under Select, Similar, and now they're all selected. I'm going to get an adjustment layer. I'm going to get the color balance, and I'm going to move it more towards yellow. See how it's a little more yellow-orange, a little more towards red. So that's a little bit better. I like that. It's got a layer mask in that shape. Then I want to change the color of the flowers. This was harder to select, and then I remembered gleefully the create a new selective color adjustment layer. So there it is. Now it is based on colors. We are going to deal with the yellows, but it's a good idea when you don't have a layer mask. It's a particular good idea when you don't have a layer mask to clip this layer to the layer below it that it's affecting, because it could pick up if there's any yellows in anything else. There's only one thing here now. It could affect all the layers below it if it doesn't either have a layer mask or it isn't clipped. There's a number of ways to clip one layer to another, and it always clips you. I'm on this layer, selective color, and this is the clipping icon in the properties panel. The clipping icon is also in the flyout menu. See, I can release clipping mask and then create clipping mask. There are numerous ways to do that, but these are two good ways. And now I just want to get more magenta. Oops, I'm going in the wrong direction. More magenta, less yellow in the flowers. That's kind of nice. That's not totally changed. That's kind of pretty. And the last thing I want to do in here is change the shutters. So I'm going to turn off these two and I'm going to go above here, above the window. I'm going to get the polygon tool, and I'm going to, because it's not a perfect rectangle, but you could alter a rectangle, but I like the polygon tool. It's one of my favorites. So I've got that shape, and I'm going to go in here and get the hue saturation, which we've used before. And because there's a layer mask in the shape of the window shutter, and that one has a layer mask that doesn't overlap, I'm okay that they're in this order. And I'm going to change the saturation a little bit and the hue a little bit just to make it slightly different. I'm going to turn these two back on. And now I've completely altered the way this picture would look. And you can turn off the visibility of your adjustment layers, and this is what it would look like without the adjustment layers. Again, this is non-destructive. And I did this all with layer masks, clipping masks, adjustment layers. And now we've changed this slightly to suit our needs. This is very good if you're ever working with a client and you want to change things quickly. So there you have it. And we'll move on to some other things.